The Dallas North Tollway, or DNT, has been widened between the Sam Rayburn Tollway, or SRT, and US 380 to accommodate population growth in the area and improve access to business and entertainment venues. This project added an additional lane in each direction to help traffic flow as population growth continues in Collin and Denton counties. The northbound El Dorado Parkway, southbound John Hickman Parkway, Warren Parkway, Gaylord Parkway, and southbound Main Street exit ramps all opened in their new locations in late summer. The fourth lanes between the SRT and US 380 opened to traffic on August 9th. New signage and lighting was installed throughout the DNT in Frisco as part of this project. Please use caution in work zones as finishing work and landscaping will continue into the fall. Your patience throughout the project was appreciated, and we thank you for driving with NTTA.